Here are some amazing animal facts that will surprise you. Number 1. You might be surprised to learn that ants never truly sleep, and they don't have lungs. Number 2. A snail is a creature that can enter a dormant state and sleep for up to 3 years at a time. Number 3. The hummingbird is the only bird in the world that can fly both forwards and backward. Number 4. Over its lifetime, a single cow can produce enough milk to fill about 200,000 glasses. Number 5. It's estimated that the animal that farts the most is the camel. Number 6. The world's most expensive insect is the stag beetle. A single rare specimen can be worth approximately $80,000. Number 7. A bird called the lyrebird can perfectly mimic almost any sound it hears, from other birds to camera shutters and chainsaws. Number 8. The red-wattled lapwing is a bird that will never, in its entire life, sit on a tree. Number 9. A single pair of rats can have as many as 1,000 descendants in just 1 year. Number 10. The green pigeon is a bird that almost never sets foot on the ground.